Welcome back. It's your boy AK Abdullah Mahdi. Today's video I'm gonna talk about the fish tank. So the room is in the process of getting it ready and everything, right? So I decided to buy a fish tank. I would say it's about it's something between, I don't know, 55 gallons to 60 gallons. So yeah, it's a used one. I already went in silicone some of the spot. I know it's not ideal and whatnot. My main concern is to use it for a few months until I save enough money and buy a new one, a brand new one and a bigger one. So it's gonna go in this spot right here, and we're gonna put it together, and you guys gonna, I guess, watch me put it together and, you know, fix it and everything. Put sand in it, put water, and let it run for a little bit, and hopefully there's no leaks, which is my main concern right now. And then yeah, you're gonna see me get the fishes for it, put the decoration and everything. My idea is to put sand, either white or natural sand, and put some rocks and branches or wood. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think I should get for this tank. What kind of fish, either community fish or aggressive fish like iguanas, red tails, and some others. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's have some fun and put things together. And I'll let you guys know what we're doing through the video. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna start with the filter. I got the canister filter, Dolphin. I don't know, it's a Chinese brand. I'm not familiar with that. Usually I either use Marine Land, Aquarium, or Sun. So it's brand new. I'm not sure how it would work. Hopefully it will have a long life. So yeah, we're gonna open it up. For this one, I already went ahead and put the filtration inside. So there's 5 trays. I put the ceramic rocks, some carbon, and some floss or cotton, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put it in place. So yeah, it's basically, I mean, by now everybody should be familiar with the canister filter, especially in this hobby. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. So I have my out over here. And then my in is going over here. So basically the in one will suck the water from the dirty water or whatever from the fish tank and goes inside through all the filters, and then comes out from this side, which I'll put it in this and the left side. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one inside here. Alright guys, this is the hood for the fish tank, right? I know it's not your typical kind of hood for a fish tank, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna go work with it. It's fine. So I'm gonna put the connections for the filtration. So basically, hopefully this would work. So this one would be the out. Come on. There we go. That's all I need right now. Perfect. And then we'll put the in one. This one will take the water to the filtration, go through all the filtration in the system, and then it comes out over here. And let's see. Hopefully it doesn't fall. There we go. Put it in. There we go. That slightly. Come on. Perfect. Something like that. Let's pack everything up. So we have that in. Next step is to put a heater in and then the sand. Alright guys, so I got an air pump over here. I plugged it in, but I haven't set it up in the fish tank right now. At the moment I'm gonna do the filter here, the heater here. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere over here next to the suction side and the outside, so in and out. That way I think I might possibly get the best heating process in the tank. I think that should work. So next step we're gonna do is go ahead and rinse the sand and then put it in. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the sand. We're gonna, I think I have 4 bags, which is 10 kilos, about, I don't know, 45 pounds. So yeah, we're gonna fill the bottom and we'll see if we need more or less, it depends. I got the light starting, so let's go ahead and fill the tank with some sand over here. So we filled it halfway. The reason for that, I want to see if it got any leaks or not, anything like that. And I know it's mercury right now. It doesn't look that good, but I'll give it some time. We'll check on it tomorrow. And hopefully, I'm really hoping that it doesn't leak. I know it's used, but I don't know what the previous owner did to it or not. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't leak. I'll wait till tomorrow, so we'll catch you on tomorrow when we fill it up and put the filter ins and everything and start everything and work it out. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll catch you by tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day, night time right now. We did fill the fish tank all the way up, well, a little bit up. So yesterday till today there was no leaks, which I'm glad that there's no leaks right now. I filled it up, we ran the filtration. I'm gonna let it cycle through. So I have just the filtration light started. I haven't done the air pump or the heater because I want to check if there's no leaks and everything is good and let it cycle for at least 1 day before I start everything else. So we're gonna let that happen, and hopefully there's no leaks neither from the fish tank or the filtration. As you saw, I got the canister filter for right now. So yeah, I'm glad, I'm happy for of the whole setup, and it looks good. I like it. So I'm hoping there's nothing happening from today till tomorrow. And after that, we're gonna, it's basically done. After that, I'm gonna have to get an extension cord and plug everything in and get the fish. And that's gonna be for a different video. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the like and go ahead subscribe to the channel, and I don't know, put some comments down below what kind of fish we should get, what should we do, the structure, the design inside it, if we go rock or wood, or maybe just make it planet tank. So yeah, just throw in the comment. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and share.